Hi, welcome. This video is on simplifying radicals at the level 2 or the approaching proficient level. We've been given a square root of 18 x cubed. And so I'm going to think about one of the things that I would like to remind you about is that if I take the square root of a times b, that's equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. And it just helps us to think I can break down what's called the radicand. This ab, for example, is the radicand. I can break it down into factors, and that might help me to simplify this. So I can look at 18 and x cubed separately. Once again, I'm going to take 18 and say, what are the prime factors of 18? Well, 2 will go into 18 9 times. But now 9 is odd, and so 2 won't go into odd there. So I go to the next prime number. I've done 2. Now I'm going to look at 3, and 3 will go in there. So I go to 3, and I say 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 is prime. So I'm done. 18 is the same as 2 times 3 times 3, which, by the way, you can also write as 2 times 3 squared. Um, so over here, I'm going to break down the square root of 18x cubed. I'm going to separate it. Since we've already separated 18, I'm going to write it as the square root of 2 times 3 times 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and break down my x cubed and write that as x times x times x. And then I remember this is a square root, so the index, the number that's not written but is understood, is 2. So I need two of a factor to bring it out. So that those two threes are going to come out as a 3. That's 3. I have two x's. That's going to come out. So there's an x. And then I said, what's left? Well, 2. So that stays inside 2. And then I have an x there as well, and that stays in also. So I've got 3x times the square root of 2x. This right here is my answer. 3x times the square root of 2x, and we're done.